So, the AirPods Max, they are now for almost 2 years, and just now I've decided to unbox them. And you might be thinking, why now? Why not just unbox the second generation AirPods Pro? Well, that is because I live in the Netherlands and unfortunately we receive those products very late. So before I receive any new Apple products such as the new iPhone 14 Pro or the AirPods Pro second generation, we are like 2 or 3 months away from the US. But hey, enough rambling, let's go and look at this package. The reason why I bought them also is because they are compatible with all iOS devices. I'm talking here about the iMac, the MacBook Pro, the iPhone, and even the Apple Watch. And that's the main reason why I bought them. But before going any further, let me give you an ASMR experience. Yep, that's it. That's the most satisfying unbox thing when it comes to unboxing Apple products. But okay, I'm having troubles here with getting my phone in focus. I'm filming, by the way, with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's really good. Look how cool or how bright this 4K display looks like. We have the package and you unbox it just like any other Apple products by sliding it open. And right away, we see the AirPods Max with this weird case. And believe me, you will get used to it if you have it like 2 or 3 days. But you shouldn't carry it like you're carrying a purse or something. Yeah, the case feels very nice, but I have to peel this paper thing around it. They just do it because to protect the color, I guess, and to make you think that you have the most satisfying unbox experience ever. And right away, the case feels very premium. And they call it a smart case because whenever you put the AirPods back into it, they go into sleep mode. So there you have a battery saving feature without even thinking about it. What's more inside this box? Well, we have the paperwork, obviously. Like always, we don't have the stickers though. We have a tutorial that shows you how the AirPods work, a step-by-step guide that shows you how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone or any other iOS device for that matter. Do you need this guide? Obviously no. You just have to turn them on and immediately they get connected to your iPhone, but more on that in a second. So like I said, noise cancellation, how to control that, how to charge your device. We have lightning cable we see there. How to put them back in your case, like we need to know how to do that. And like I said a second ago, it has sleep mode. So whenever you put those AirPods back into the case, they go into sleep mode. We have the lightning cable. So Apple thought about putting that lightning cable in the box. Fortunately for us, no USB-C though. And that's actually it. There's nothing more in the box, even though it assembles the box of the iPad. This is it. There's nothing more in the box. It feels very premium, but hey, let's go back to the AirPods Max because this video is all about them. They are made of stainless steel with a soft to touch material around that stainless steel. That headband is made from a breathable knit mesh. And I should say I had the Beach Solo 3 and you can sweat in them quite a bit, especially if you're working out. I hope that knit mesh will solve this problem. Okay, so I'm holding them right now, and the first thing that stands out is that digital crown on the right side of the AirPods. Let me first remove this thing made out of paper, again, to protect the AirPods even more. And inside those air cups, we have the left and right sign from which we can determine on which side we need to put them on our head. So those air cups are removable, and you can put them back, and they are connected with a magnet. So you just have to put them next to the AirPods and they click back into it. Like I'm demonstrating right now, you can just click them right there. Yeah, they just snip back into the AirPods. And yeah, overall, they feel very premium. You feel like you've just paid like $550 on these things. Like I said, that digital crown is made to turn on and off the volume, and we have a button from which you can either turn them on or off, or connect them with Bluetooth to your iOS device. So you can make them bigger by sliding them out. I should say I need to slide them out, just have to let them fit my head. And this is how Apple demonstrated that in their commercial. And overall, they are quite flexible. You can turn them around, but you can't fold them in just like any other headphone that you used to have in the past. So let's look at these AirPods on a close level. What I do have for you more is that you can connect them to lightning cable, and you get to see that orange dot from which you can determine whether they are charged or not. Like orange is not charged yet, and green, I believe, should be fully charged. But let me demonstrate for you guys how to connect them to your iPhone, for example. So I have here the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I want to connect them. So I turn my iPhone's Bluetooth, and right away the iPhone recognizes the AirPods. But to connect them, you need to hold that button on the left side, and before you know it, they are connected just like that. There's no easier way to connect any other headphone to another device. You get a step-by-step tutorial. You can just see how to control your media. They came with like 0%. That's the first Apple product that came with 0%. I'm shocked by that. But yeah, that's how you connect them. Yeah, I can't show you, or I can't tell you what the sound quality is, but from what I've seen on the internet, the sound quality of these AirPods are just phenomenal. There's some critique about the sound quality versus the price. Some people say you can't ask so much money for this sound experience. They need to give us a better sound experience. Like always, we have here the knit mesh. That's very breathable, and I do like it. I'm eager to see how they feel like whenever you're running outside. Even though if you're running and it's raining, that can be a hassle, especially if you have this color. They come into multiple colors. We have the blue, the orange, the white like I have, and I believe the green ones like you see there. And yeah, I've chosen to get the white colors because yeah, they look very nice. And that's actually it, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. This video was just to show you how that unbox experience goes. Make sure to watch one of my recent videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.